All right, welcome back. We are here for our final segment of our Thanksgiving feast, and I've got Will York, our graphics artist. He's the one that puts together all these wonderful birthday pictures every morning. And you also make summer sausage with your family?
That is correct. I am a proud farm boy, and my parents are watching. Yes, I just admitted that. So anyway, we just recently made this wonderful summer sausage. Yeah, go for it. Basically, we just processed some pigs a while ago, so we were able to make some summer sausage. And a good combination of that is with pork and ground beef. And it also
it is delicious flavor, Will.
So you just basically, you get your 4 pounds of pork, 4 pounds of beef, you mix that together, and you also take your sauce, like your seasonings, like coriander, pepper flakes, everything you can together, and then you mix that all in, and then we put that in the sausage casings, and we mix that all in together.
Awesome. Well, thank you for sharing that and bringing that in.
And it's the perfect opportunity while waiting on the turkey. You can also, it's a good appetizer, not just at Thanksgiving, but also like barbecues, cookouts, even football games.
Okay. And we also have the infamous green bean casserole that you have to have at every holiday gathering. I think it's an unwritten rule that you have a green bean casserole.
Oh, absolutely.
And our morning show producer, Ron Charles, he couldn't get out of the control room, so we're going to talk about his recipe for him. Green bean casseroles are not hard to make, but there's so many different varieties or variations of the recipe you can use. The one that he chose uses 1 can of Campbell's condensed cream of mushroom soup, and you could also like substitute that out with like a fat-free cream of mushroom or the unsalted cream of mushroom. You add in a 1/2 cup of milk, a teaspoon of soy sauce, 4 cups of cooked green beans, or cooked cut green beans, like the canned ones, and then 1 1/3 cups of French fried onions. And some of those, a lot of times you put all the ingredients together, reserve some of the French fried onions to put on top because you're gonna bake some of them into the recipe, and the others you'll put at the end. And if you want, you can, like the last 5 minutes, you can even put them on there, and then to get them extra crispy, put them in the oven for 5 minutes. But you never want to leave the ones on top in there for the whole time, or they'll just be burnt.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning, Will.
Well, thank you for having me on board.
I know, and our Fox show is almost over, so we're going to get to enjoy all of the things that we made. Just kind of to recap the recipes that we made. Our last segment had a Reese's peanut butter pie. I made my pumpkin butterscotch cake, and then we had Carrie's macaroni and cheese, which was delightful.
Had some mashed potatoes.
We had some mashed potatoes, and we had your stuffing. We still have yet to see the turkey, but it's getting ready to come out of the oven.
I might have to snack on one of these before I get to that turkey.
Yeah, no kidding. I'm excited because Michael's been working on his turkey all morning long too. Anyway, we will go to break and return with your consumer headlines when we return.